To get the most out of life, it is important to get the most out of your food. With a NUTRiBULLET, you get the goodness of everything you put in. You get the whole fruit and vegetable. You can also make an endless variety of incredible tasting drinks with your NUTRiBULLET every day. You can customize your drinks so each one suits your specific tastes, goals, and nutritional needs. Watch, here's an example. Start with some spinach for fiber, banana for potassium, add some berries for antioxidants, then almonds and flax seeds for the important omega-3. Add a little water or your liquid of choice and watch how the power of the NUTRiBULLET breaks everything down. Look, even the almonds and flax seeds have been liquefied to fit through this strainer. The secret of the NUTRiBULLET is its powerful 600-watt motor combined with the amazing bullet cyclonic action that pushes everything through the turbo extractor blades, turning at an incredible 20,000 RPM. This technology cracks through the stems and busts open cores and seeds, so it's fully broken down, pulverized and ready to nourish.